My name is Harun Shahzad and I co-founded an institute called IBA PrepWorks, where we prepare students for different business universities and SAT. So I belong to a very job-oriented family where we have a firm belief of doing 9 to 5 job and to secure our future on the fixed salaries we are getting. Because उससे future safe था हमारा. But I had a vision and I had that कीड़ा in my दिमाग कि I have to start something. I have financial support from my family. They were like कि तुम पैसे का नुकसान कर दो मसला नहीं है, तुम अपना या एजुकेशन का नुकसान मत करना. Because I was studying in the second year of IBA and they were like the education of IBA is very tough. They were supportive in terms of finances, but they weren't supportive in terms of moral support. They weren't like कि start करो अल्लाह मालिक है. The idea of this whole system came into my mind when I was preparing myself for IPM. I used to understand the dynamics of the institute कि कैसे चल रही है, कैसे मैं इस चीज़ को रेनोवेट कर सकता हूँ, कैसे मैं इसको इनोवेट करके कुछ अपना ऐसा सिस्टम बनाऊँ where I can be an employer rather than being an employee. So that was the idea that came into my mind कि कुछ start करना है. When I joined the IBA, I observed that everyone is doing something, regardless कि कितना बड़ा छोटा है. Facebook के पेज बना के सिर्फ कपड़े बेच रहे हैं, कुछ भी कर रहे हैं. वो सारी चीज़ें that each and everything teaches you a lesson. वो Facebook पे बना के कपड़े बेचना कुछ बेचना नहीं होता. There's a whole system that is working behind it. लोगों को लगता है हम Facebook पेज बना कुछ भी बेच दें. That's not it. आपको अपना कस्टमर बेस बनाना पड़ता है. You have to work in the customer development. You have to take the feedback from the student or your customer and you evaluate that feedback and then you deliver it. So there is a whole system that is working apart from the marketing. Marketing तो involve है कि how you market yourself. आपको अपने आप को बेचना आना चाहिए. That's it. If you look good, people will buy you. So I believe कि marketing along with the customer development is very important. अगर आपके पास feedback ही नहीं market का, तो आप उस चीज़ को market नहीं कर सकते. So that was the whole idea and that was my mind when I was starting, and that was the marketing plan, that marketing ideas that was I was observing from my fellows who were doing something. Our institute follows a certain business model. Our revenue and our basically revenue based on our batches and our course pack. When we launch a batch for preparation, the first thing is we introduce our batch to the market. We didn't open admissions, we offer demo. First thing is first demo. Come to the campus, take online demo and decide on your own. Decide on your own, like if you are comfortable with us teaching, then further proceed to the admission. At that point when we started, no one was offering demo sessions because that was the thing that differentiated us from the other people. They got to know like we are offering something in a very minimal price, and we were also ready to prove ourselves in a demo. So people come to the demo. After that, when people are happy from the demo, we approach them for the admission purpose and other things. So this is how the dynamics of the batch works. Then we start our batch and it goes on. That is the first revenue generator for us. The second revenue generator is our course pack. We sell our course pack at very minimal price. Like I think other institutes are selling it as 8 to 9,000 and we were only selling it for 2,500. That was very cheap for everyone, and like even people were ready to experiment us. Like they were like कि try कर लेते हैं क्या जा रहा है, 2,500 तो है, 2 बार खाना होता है, एक बार बर्गर खाओ आपके 2,500 लग जाते हैं. After that, the third thing was our one-on-one conversation with the parents and the students. When we talk with the parents, when we talk to the students ourselves, like हम खुद बात करते थे and we tried to convince them to join us. Even इस फीस के अंदर भी लोग डिस्काउंट मांगते हैं. They were like क्या प्लीज सर कोई डिस्काउंट कर ले. I can't give this fees. I can't give the fees in the lump sum. कहीं पॉइंट पे आता था कुछ लोग नहीं देते. But it's all part of a system when you are doing something, when you understand the system कि ये बाहर से बहुत आसान है, but when you are sitting in the toes of an entrepreneur, you will realize कि चीज़ें आसान नहीं होती. when you are running a business, you are the one who is responsible for everything. You are responsible to your teachers, you are answerable to the parents and the student body as well. So after that, our fixed cost, जो fixed cost जो हमें हर महीने निकालनी है, regardless that we have admission or not, there are certain fixed costs we need to cover. And at that point, we alhamdulillah we have a certain family support, like they were like क्या हम कर देंगे अगर तुम लोग कहीं फंसोगे, because that was something which was good, and something that we were doing was helpful for others. So our fixed cost includes our rent, because we rented out a place after COVID, so it includes a fixed cost. The fixed cost includes utility bills, because regardless class हो रही ना हो रही, certain bill comes. आपके पास बाहर गेम्स वाले आके खड़े होंगे, like you have installed a board, आपको उसका टैक्स देना है. There's certain things which we need to cover. Printing cost, internet cost, and Zoom cost, because like we have a model of hybrid. We follow a hybrid model in which students are provided with both online plus physical facilities. So for that we need to buy Zoom every month, क्योंकि ये नहीं हो सकता कि आखिरी के 5 दिन ले लिया, अगले महीने ले लिया, क्योंकि 5 दिन से क्लास स्टार्ट हुई, महीना स्टार्ट हो जाता है उसका. सो देयर आर सर्टेन कॉस्ट विच वी नीड टू बेयर. सो वी हैड डिसाइडेड कि हम अपनी फीस को, वी डिवाइडेड अवर फीस इनटू 2 पार्ट्स. The first half goes for our teachers and our material, because we have few teachers who are teaching for us. हम 50% of the fees allot करते हैं teachers को, and the rest of the fees is allotted to our fixed cost and our profit margin. So I can say so far the profit margin is 25 to 30%. That's it. Don't think कि 50% से ज़्यादा profit margin है अभी. होगा 50% ज़्यादा प्रॉफिट मार्जिन इफ़ यू आर पेइंग योर टीचर्स लेस. अगर आप अपने टीचर्स को बिल्कुल मार्केट प्राइस दे रहे हैं, आप मार्केट कॉम्पिटेटिव प्राइस दे रहे हैं, देन यू कैन अर्न मार्जिन ऑफ 50%. लेकिन when you want to differentiate yourself from others, you have to do something different. That was our quality, and that was our teachers, because when your teachers are happy from your institute, they are going to deliver their best to the students. वो सिर्फ अपना सिर्फ पर आवर चार्ज करने के लिए 1 घंटा पूरा नहीं करेंगे. They will teach from their hearts, and I'm very thankful to our teachers who are providing us each and everything with their heart. When you are starting and when you are initiating something, आपको लोग मिलते रहते हैं, and that things start to go in a flow. अगर आप अच्छा काम कर रहे हो, आप बुरा काम करोगे, लोग नहीं मिलेंगे. अगर if you are doing something good, people will come, they will join, and the system will continue to go flawlessly. Okay, so the execution of this initiative started from the courtyard. I along with my friends was sitting there, and we were discussing how we should start something our own. तो हमने एक आइडिया निकाला कि यार we should start an institute which would be different from the others who have been doing this for years. क्योंकि market was tough, because there were few institutes that have been working for like more than 20 years, and entering that market and to convince students to not go there and to join us was the difficult and the most challenging part for us. So we made a business plan, and in that plan we had one main thing was to provide affordability, because when we ourselves were preparing for IBA, सबसे ज़्यादा issue आता था कि affordability. Not everyone can give like 50 to 60,000 to prepare for IBA. So at that point हमने सोचा था कि हम एक private tutor से ज़्यादा सस्ते में इस चीज़ को हम offer करेंगे. So we finalized our logo and name in 10 to 15 days, because that was going to last with us for years. After that, we study the social media of institutes that have been running for years. We got to know that they were working on word of mouth. They weren't representing them as a brand. So we decided that we should focus more on the marketing rather than word of mouth, because we didn't have one. We didn't have word of mouth, or we didn't have any students who are currently studying at IBF or any other good institute. So we planned that we will work on the marketing. My friend came up with the idea, my partner came up with the idea that we should create a community on the Facebook, in which we will allow everyone to join that community, and through that we will help students with their queries regarding preparation. We started from 4 to 5 people, and we kept on growing, and in this whole year we from 1 to 4,000 we reached We have a community of more than 4,000 in our Facebook group. When we started the marketing plan, we innovate the idea of the marketing in the system. We observed that the other institutes that have been running for years, they started focusing more on the marketing themselves, because they got to know that there is a marketing that exists, because they were believing that the word of mouth is more than enough for the institutes. उसके बाद उन्होंने भी same idea copy करना start कर दिए. They started making their own growth, but that was too late for them, because we started when it wasn't common. हमने जब start किया तब बिल्कुल सारी चीज़ें common नहीं थी. जब हमने किया, people trusted in us. After that, the main thing was we didn't have a place. We didn't have a physical place because due to COVID. So what we offered people, like we will do cash on deliveries. I, along with my partner, used to go in the Ramzan to deliver the course pack, to deliver just to collect fees from the people. Like we used to go to defense, other areas, just to collect the fees, so that the people could meet us and they can trust us that we are not scamming them. So I believe when you start something, when you initiate something, the main thing is कि कोई आपको कमा के नहीं देगा. You have to sit there, you have to do each and everything from the scratch. आपको वहाँ पे सफाई भी करनी पड़ेगी. You have to do each and everything when you are initiating something. आप ये नहीं समझो like you are the boss from the day one. You are a teacher, you are a desk person, you are a representative, you are each and everything when you start something. This is what I call entrepreneur. When you cover each aspect of the job, when you cover each and every job that needs to be done through your system, that is entrepreneurship. Risk and challenges involve student base, because we didn't have a word of mouth. There were institutes who have been doing this work for more than decades, and they have a whole generation of students studying at different institute. हमारे पास word of mouth नहीं था, हमारे पास लोग नहीं थे. We didn't have people, we didn't have trust from the people. They know that we exist, but they weren't trusting us with their future and their money, because their future were more important from their money. अब सीन ये था कि we started a batch. उसके अंदर we have students, we have certain students. We were preparing them for the round 1 of IB. If none of them cleared it, अगर कोई भी cleared नहीं होता, तो we didn't have a word of mouth. हम एक negative में चले जाते. Like we went to a negative word of mouth. लोग यही बोलते हैं, हमने तुम पे भरोसा कर लिया था, प्लीज आप मत करना. So that was the main risk we had, कि उन बच्चों का टेस्ट पास कराना, उन बच्चों को प्रिपेयर करना for their real day. That was a main risk for the batch. When we talk about the risk regarding the cost or the expenses we had to bear, we rented out a place. We gave him a 6-month advance, and it was a commitment of 1 year. अगर हम back off करते, so we had to lose that 6-month money और 1 साल के पैसे देने पड़ते. That was a fixed cost that was on the line, and that wasn't returnable. हम return नहीं कर सकते थे उससे कोई वापस नहीं आ सकता था. We bought gadgets, we bought writing pads, laptops, projectors. चलो ये जो cost है that can be returned. हम उसको थोड़े कम पैसों में बेच देते. We could have returned few amount from it, but हमारा काफ़ी नुकसान होता. So our reputation and our cost both were on the line when we preparing student for the round 1. But alhamdulillah, that uncertainty reduced over the time, क्योंकि बच्चों का एडमिशन हो गया. They were happy from us. They were happy कि हमने इतने कम पैसे दिए और हमारा एडमिशन हो गया, डायरेक्ट एडमिशन आई में पहुंच गए. So the word of mouth started spreading. उन्होंने बताना शुरू किया लोगों से. So now when we receive a call from someone, तो सबसे पहले बोलता है मुझे आपके उस स्टूडेंट ने रेफर किया है. पहले हम लोगों को अप्रोच कर रहे थे. नाउ पीपल हैज स्टार्टेड अप्रोचिंग अस, लाइक इफ समवन इज टीचिंग यू फॉर अ वेरी मिनिमल प्राइस और उन बच्चों का एडमिशन भी हो रहा है, व्हाट एल्स यू नीड फ्रॉम एन इंस्टीट्यूट. So the uncertainty reduced over the time. There were a lot that were on the stake. That the price, reputation, each and everything was on the stake for the first year of our institute. Now we have just started getting stable. अभी भी stable नहीं हुए. We have just started getting stable. Like 1% में enter होना शुरू हुए. अब हमारा word of mouth increase होना शुरू हुआ है. So I believe कि the uncertainty reduce over the time. एक शुरू में नहीं हो जाती. So you had to do few stuff. We introduce a few free classes, free interview preparation and demo sessions to reduce this uncertainty and to gain the trust of the people. Moreover, we planned an idea to introduce a college ambassador program. That was very unique idea and no other institute was doing it. That was the unique thing that was making us apart from others. हमने कॉलेज प्रोग्राम निकाला, उसमें हमने कहा है जैसे लोग मार्केट करने जाते हैं, अपना इवेंट मार्केट करने जाते हैं कॉलेजेस में, तो मार्केट से इवेंट्स वहाँ जाके एक बंदे के एम्बेसडर बना देते हैं, बोलते तुम 5 लेकर आना, हम इतना डिस्काउंट देंगे. वी डिड द सेम थिंग. We went to the colleges. We started approaching the students who had a very strong hold on the student body, like the head boys, या prefects वगैरह, या कैप्टन ऑफ द क्रिकेट टीम. इस तरह के लोगों को हमने अप्रोच किया. वी ऑफर्ड देम कि we will provide you with the free preparation on the admission of one child from your reference. एक बच्चा लेकर आओ, आपका तो फ्री हो जाएगा. उसके थ्रू हमने एक पैकेज उसको बना के दिया कि वी विल प्रोवाइड यू विद द सर्टिफिकेशन, वी विल गाइड यू, वी मेंटोर देम विद द मार्केटिंग थिंग, दे हेल्प अस इन द मार्केटिंग. इस तरह हमने एक अपनी टीम भी एक्सपेंड किया. वी एक्सपेंड अवर रूट्स इन डिफरेंट कॉलेजेस, क्योंकि हम कॉलेज में घुस नहीं पा रहे थे, हम कॉलेज के ग्रुप में घुस नहीं आ रहे थे. थ्रू दोज स्टूडेंट्स वी रीच आउट द मार्केट ऑफ द कॉलेजेस एंड अदर इंस्टीट्यूट्स.